we carry several signs that warn people about the dangers of carbon monoxide poisoning. Now here's a quick lesson on carbon monoxide's effect on people, which can be deadly and totally gross. Don't Google it, do yourself a favor. There are 6 signs of carbon monoxide poisoning: headaches, nausea, dizziness, breathlessness, collapse, and loss of consciousness. These symptoms are very similar to the flu or food poisoning or simply being exhausted. But one way to quickly find out is if the symptoms abate when you leave the area and they get worse when you come back in, you might be suffering from carbon monoxide poisoning. Carbon monoxide alarms work well, and proper signage in the workplace is a necessity. Again, the symptoms are headaches, nausea, dizziness, breathlessness, collapse, and loss of consciousness. If this is happening to you or one of your coworkers, first, get everybody outside, and second, call an ambulance. If you have any questions about our safety signs about carbon monoxide, feel free to give us a call.